skate park session number 2, and within the same week, my back is feeling pretty good. I think this is the end of the retesting and kind of just working back and building strength, and I believe, based on how I feel, I believe I'm healed. I just don't think I'm strong enough. I don't think my back is strong enough to just go crazy yet, which is awesome, because I was dealing with pain for a year, basically. I was in pain for 1 year every day, and it just became normal. So pain-free. And we got our park scoot right now with the Reaper V3s. I'm excited to get these going again. The more you see Reaper V3s, the better I probably am, because we're at the skate park or riding street spots. Right now we're at Apex Skate Park, and the reason why I'm filming outside right now is that there's someone playing music in there, so I'm not trying to get copyright, but every time we'll go in there, we're just gonna cruise around. I don't know what tricks we'll do. Might just be cruise around, we'll see, we'll test it, and then we'll test out some flat tricks later. That's kind of what I really want to see, because that's what I know I could probably be better at. But enough talking, let's get into the skate park. Hope you enjoy, and thanks for subscribing and being here. We're giving away more stuff next week. All right, here we go.
Yeah, step, do your dance, yeah, hit your move. Look, I be dripping something they can bite through. Yeah, I be with the night crew, hype too. Yeah, 3 or 4 rings, high five you. Look, we don't gotta overheat to know I'm hot, boy. We gon' need a lie detector if I'm not, boy. You can hear my engine rumble in the lot, boy. Game running like it's not, shoot my shot, look. On my way, no, we just got out the zoo. Hit my phone, let me know you coming through. Out the way, I be low when I move. Never spend it all at once, I gotta keep it cool. We don't need thermometers to say I'm hot. I'ma put the microphone inside the pot. I'ma roll the window down and shake the block. I'ma flip the energy right off the top. We don't need thermometers to say I'm hot. I'ma put the microphone inside the pot. I'ma roll the window down and shake the block. I'ma flip the energy right off the top. Yeah.
All right, and we are back at Chapel Hill Park, but before we try some flat tricks, see behind the pole right there, I put more free stuff. And if you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and watching the shorts, then you know that I'm giving away free stuff every single week, as long as the person who finds it tags me and Envy and makes a post about it. We're playing like a pass it down kind of thing, and as long as whoever gets it posts and tags and does everything, I'll just keep doing it every single week until I run out of parts. And I have a lot of parts, and as soon as someone stops and forgets to post or doesn't tag, then we stop, and that sucks for the next people who don't have a chance to find free stuff. So just keep doing it. Last week someone found it, they tagged on Facebook. I don't care where you tag as long as I can see it, and that worked out. But right now we're at Chapel Hill Park. The back is feeling pretty warmed up from the first skate park session, which is good. So now kind of going back down, just riding flat, testing this out, being really patient, being really smart. And I'm really excited for the progress that I feel right now. There's a lot of stuff I've been doing and trying to improve myself other than just working out. And I'll be doing those daily routines and making videos about them in the next coming weeks with some of the devices I've been using, some of the health changes I've been doing. And I feel like a lot of it's been helping a lot. And it's a lot of self-educating situations where you can't really go to a doctor to find it. You need to learn the mechanics of your body. And it's a really enlightening experience, and I hope you're interested in that, because it's something that's going to help all of you, whatever you're doing, whether you're scootering, doing sports, or just trying to live a better life. There's a lot of it that can contribute to that, and trying to live a longer life and a healthier life allows you to do more things and experience more things. But we'll get into that later on with those short videos, those routine videos. But now we're at the skate park. This is going to be fun. I want to at least do 5 tricks that I haven't done in the last video, kind of like a self-improvement since the last one. Let's do a check and let's see how it works, and I'm excited to keep going. Okay, I feel good. I think when I have to really use my core to save myself when I get stuck, that kind of sucks. Doesn't hurt or anything, doesn't feel bad. It's just, I know I'm using that area too much, and it's kind of something I've noticed. Something with flat, you think flat you can ride forever, but flat takes a lot of pull and torque on your lower back, and you use it So you just gotta figure out how to not use it as much. I think the last thing I wanna do is a cliffhanger. It's my favorite trick. I need to be able to do this until the last day on Earth. So that's something that I haven't done in 3 months, and I think if we can do it now, that'd be cool. Come on, bro. How are you?
I'm good. I found him.
That was quick. Don't forget, you have to tag, otherwise it stops.
I will.
I'll see you guys next time.
Much.
All right. Those wheels didn't even last a YouTube video. Someone came to the park. He looked at my TikTok because I try to post the giveaway stuff on just story, TikTok, Facebook, just wherever. And he found them. It's cool. That's done. He said he'll post it, so we'll continue this thing every single week. So make sure you follow me on all socials. YouTube is obviously my main thing, but I try to just be fair because some people don't use certain things. And cliffhanger was done. I feel good. I don't like the feeling of doing something and getting stuck. Quick, sudden movement that I'm not ready for. But other than that, I feel really good. I feel like I could ride the skate park pretty good, but we're just taking it slow. So second day at the skate park, awesome. Thanks for sticking with me through this journey. And I'm excited to ride the new scooter and finally test this thing out. If you guys are looking for any of the parts that I ride, all my parts are listed in the description, including my signature deck, which is on sale, I'm pretty sure, and wheels and anything else, complete stuff like that. So if you want to grab a scooter or just a part that you like that I'm riding from this complete, or my other complete with the Reaper bars, click that first link in the description. As long as there's progression and improvements, I'm hooked and I'll never stop. Hope you enjoy these videos even when I am on my lows, but with enough patience, we will see the light at the end of the tunnel, and I appreciate all of you sticking with me through this. Thanks for watching. I'm trying to make videos like this once a week and then shorts every day. You guys know the drill. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.